The next video presentation that we have here is wave solder keepouts. We're going to go ahead and pick a through-hole part, and we'll pick the axial lead part just for a demonstration. Fill in the numbers with the demo button, and then go ahead and change the pin pitch to a nice whole integer. Now, the wave solder keepouts are typically placed on the bottom of the board for the sole purpose of keeping surface mount parts away from those holes so that the wave solder doesn't solder bridge the surface mount pads to the through-hole pads. What we're going to do is we're going to go into the options. In our options, the terminal density level will have the wave solder keepouts. So I'm going to change it to 2 millimeters. And if I click on OK, calculate, it's going to put a 2 millimeter keep out around that through hole. Now, you have to talk to your assembly shop because they're going to do the wave solder. Maybe they won't do the wave solder, but you can create an entire library with wave solder. Just take your same FPX file, whatever FPX file library you have, and then batch build the entire thing out and create wave solder keepouts on all your through-hole pads. Now, this is a good reason for keeping your through-hole and your surface mount pads in separate FPX files. You would save this file here as through-hole FPX, and you would take all your through-hole parts out of here and put them in their own library so that when you create your wave solder library for through-hole, you don't commingle them up with surface mount parts. And your terminal density level. If you want to do this globally for all your parts, you would go into Tools, Options, and then Terminals, Through-hole, and at the very bottom, Wave Solder Keepout, right down here. You would change that value there, and it would add a Wave Solder Keepout to every through-hole component footprint. This concludes the video on wave solder keepouts.
Simplify, standardize, and automate an entire IPC and IEC compliant library. Detailed, accurate, reliable, professional. Highest quality footprints and 3D step models, clicks away. Many companies worldwide are easily generating their CAD libraries. You should too. Get a fully functional Footprint Expert Evaluation license for any CAD format and demo today. Contact us at PCBlibraries.com or call 847-557-2300.